We are here in the French village here in Bana Hills. And kakaiba, para siyang vintage na Disneyland. Ang dami ng tao. Pero kakaiba yung charm niya. Kasi nga, French architecture. Kasi di ba Vietnam was once colonized by the French. That's why yung mga pagkain nila, and also the banh yan, yung baguette, yan dito nag-start mga French na sa kanila. And so this is a very touristy spot. Ang nakatabi ko.
Lehitim mong mga Vietnamese.
When they talk to each other, they are shouting. Ganun. Ganun na ganun. Usap na sa kanila yun. Pero sa atin, hiyaw na yun. Pero, tingin po kung saan kami nandun. Eh, napakita mo yung windmill, Papa. Ganda dito ba? Kaya lilibutin natin to at ipapasyal namin kayo dito sa French Village. Au revoir!
Au revoir!
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. It's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Yan, napansin namin dito sa Vietnam, ang mga Viets, mahilig silang sumalampak sa sahig, kagaya ng mga nakita ko kanina. Ito yung mga ibang natives, yung mga hello!
Hello!
Xin chào! Xin chào! Come on! Ayan si Abu, yan. Friendly naman sila, kaya lang hindi sila ganun ka-open to converse, hanggang hello-hello lang kami kasi nga hirap sila mag-English, pero friendly din naman. Although majority I find them may pagka-rude. Diba Papa, no?
Friendly naman sila.
Oo.
Ano? Masigaw.
Masigaw, oo. Yan, nagsisiesta sila dito.
Para sila yung mga
Tsaka nakasalampak sila,
salita
no?
nila.
Oo. Okay, ang ganda ng view dito. Pahinga muna tayo. See you guys in a bit. I'm good. Very delectable skewers. The this is roast beef. Oh. Rice pilaf. This is the ticket counter if you want to eat at the buffet here in Sun World, Bana Hills. The first buffet restaurant that you see, pagpasok mo, ito ang ticket counter, the lobby, and this is the souvenir shops, and merong mga upuan para kung gusto magpahinga, kagaya kami ni Abu. Woohoo! Pagod na mga paa. Ay, Abu! Ano, pagod ka na? Happy Father's Day! Woohoo! Bye, Pink Castle! Bye-bye, Kissing Couple! Nakakita dito si Pa Abu J na ano niya.